Let's introduce the installation method of ATE400 sensor on static contact. Before installation, check that whether the group number of sensor on the label is same as the group number of receiver. Take two ROE sheets through the locking parts. Fold in the middle. Press the ROE sheet and sensor tighten. The sensor and gasket passes through the ROE sheet. Then, put the ROE sheet passes through the locking piece. Tighten the locking screw. Cut off the extra ROE sheet. Use a tool to handle the excess ROE sheet. Then we install the sensor to the static contact and push to the bottom. The sensor is installed.